Pia Awards back from the Philippines.
I don't like the way he's looking at you. I'm starting to think you want him too. Yeah, I'm a crazy, have lost ya. Even though I know you love me, can't help it. I turn the teen music up and I'm puffing my chest. I'm getting ready to pay.
Masayang-masaya ako na gines mo ko dito kasi alam ko na swerte talaga tong show na to. And nakiusap talaga yung mga Pianatics na sana mag-guest ako dito. At kahit ako mismo nag-request ako sa ABS na please, bago ko umalis, kailangan kong makita si Vice. Kailangan kong mag-guest sa show niya.
May basbas ka ni Madam Bertuot.
Miss Universe 2015 is Philippines.
I mean no disrespect, it's my right